Okay, y'all, I'm trying to get myself together this morning, and so before work I came out to Chick-fil-A and I forgot to put on some earrings this morning. That sucks. I hate not having earrings on, but it is what it is. Anyways, last night's hairstyle was just me like 2-strand twisting it from the top, so it looks like this. Is like it's curly this morning, but I just don't know if I'm gonna leave it like this all day, like down and curly, because it's gonna end up getting tangled up in the back. Went to the eye doctor, as you guys can see, and it was just time to get a new pair of frames, as well as getting my eye examined. So it's been about 2 years, and I have had every frame pair under the sun. So now it's time to sit down and actually order the frames online. So you guys are going to see me quickly get ready to order my frames and see what I'm going to be getting. And then I'm definitely going to be showing you guys how they fit, how they feel when I get them in the mail. Come on in.
I like these.
You like those? I do like those blue ones.
What do you mean, those ones?
I like the clear, but
I like it.
I don't know.
But I like it.
So I was searching around for some glasses where I could order them using my prescription and just have them as a backup, but I just couldn't find the right pair that I really wanted. So one website that I recommend is Zulu. Another one I recommend is Zenny Optical, and another one that I recommend is iBuyDirect. So these are the things that I picked up from Trader Joe's. Normally when I go to Trader Joe's, every single time I do pick up the Fiji apple dried fruit. This time I wanted to try something new by getting the scalloped potato chips, some freeze-dried berry melody, as well as the freeze-dried berries. And then we also picked up an orange chicken bowl and some mini almond biscotti and a couple of other things like edamame. So I just needed to pick up a couple different things, especially since I was already in the area, and that is about a 10-minute trip for us. So might as well knock it all out at one time and just go over and get what I need so that I didn't have to go back. So the following day, we spent time with my mom, my grandmother, and the kids, and we went to Five Below. And in Five Below, my main goal was to find just some things for myself for vlogging or to put over in my desk area. So we did find quite a few different things, from like squishmallows to looking at makeup, looking at earrings, to looking at the clothes and the blankets, dog material, stuff for rooms or desk areas and stuff like that. So in the next few clips, you'll see my haul of what I did get from Five Below. So out of Five Below, I did decide to get this 3-in-1 charging stand. It holds your iPhone, your watch, and Apple AirPods. I also got this 3-in-1 wall charger as well as a green screen backdrop. I also picked up some of the phone cases that they still have for the iPhone XR. And then I picked up some party cake Peeps as well as Reese's Fast Break, which is my favorite, and some other different necessities. Okay, so update. I just went and got my eye exam, Thursday, and today is Wednesday, so almost a week later. The glasses are ready, even though they told me that it would be about 10 days. So roughly about 2 weeks until I could get the glasses. So now that they are ready, I'm gonna go over and pick them up. Of course, since we're already over here going to Lens Crafters, I might as well run into Trader Joe's after I get the glasses. So Sky's been hooked on the orange chicken from Trader Joe's. So she wants to go in and try to find and see if they have any orange chicken available. Hopefully they do. Remember, in my previous videos, I've been saying that they run out quickly here, and that you have to come by noon. So we shall see if we can find any in here within the next couple of minutes after I pick up my glasses. We're going to Lens Craft. Oh yeah, I love them. So, what you think? I think they're adorable. Let me hurry up and get over here to Trader Joe's. So, what I will say is that y'all ain't gotta worry about that glare no more. I got the anti-reflection put on these glasses, which was like $50 to do it, and I was like, you know what, let's do it. So I don't have to worry about like nothing glaring off my face. The glasses, yes. I can see everything. But anyways, it's like always packed up in here in Trader Joe's. It's ridiculous. I really want to take this spot right here, but somebody behind me. And I think I'm gonna do it because I'm not finding nowhere. Okay, so finally home. And we went back up to Trader Joe's again. So Trader Joe's is like our once a week type of place now. So what I normally get is the Fiji apple slices. They're dried. I said this before, Sky gets the fruit leather buttons in strawberry mango, and then grape mango. And of course, our main reason for going was to get the wonderful mandarin orange chicken. So these are $4.99 a bag, and they sell out really quick. So we bought 3 of them. And then last but not least, I love to get their uncured applewood smoked salami and roll it up in tortillas. Unfortunately, I don't have any tortillas and I couldn't find any out of there. But anyways, I hope that you all enjoyed this week-long video of what I have gotten into this week. I'm so glad to finally have gotten my frames. They seem to keep fogging up, but I think I just need to clean them. But I'm just glad that there's no reflection. So thanks guys for watching. Be sure to make sure you subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video and if you would like to see more. Good morning, y'all. So we're on our way to Starbucks, trying to figure out what I want. Like the other day I was watching Me Casondra, and she was saying, like, you know, you got to treat yourself to Starbucks. And so she says she treats herself on Mondays and Fridays. If y'all haven't checked out her channel, go ahead and check it out. It'll be in my description box down below. But y'all, we do have to start treating ourselves to Starbucks every now and then. And unfortunately, like, I do just that, whether I treat myself first thing in the morning or whether I do it after work. It really all depends on, like, my mood. So I know for sure, like, my mood, certain mornings I'm like, all right, I gotta motivate myself to get up. So that's what I'm gonna get ready to do, and go right over here to Starbucks. Have a good day. So y'all, at the bus stop, 7:58. I normally leave work and like come around the corner to this local restaurant and put my son on the bus. So my son is to the point where he like was afraid to get on the bus this morning because of a situation that happened yesterday. So this is just like something that's gonna be like an ongoing all the time thing in this world. The negativity and the bullying and the picking and the fighting, it's gotten old. So yesterday Cam came off the bus and was like, a kid threw his hat out the window. First of all, this child has had this hat on, same hat every single day this year for school. Gets off the bus with it every single day this year for school. And a kid in a grade higher than him threw his hat out the window. The mama in me came out when Cam was really upset, right? That this child threw this out the window. So my first instinct was to like go back and retrace the bus route and then try to see if like the hat was still there. So we ended up doing that. Found the hat, middle of the road, whatever. Okay. I already called the assistant principal about it, and I'm just like, you know, y'all have called me all year about how he's done this, he's done that, he's done this, he's done that. The one time I call y'all, I hope that y'all handle the situation, because Cam's instincts was, to me, Ma should have hit him. And I was like, no, that's not your instincts, because riding the bus is a privilege. So, you know, as a mom, it's like, what do you say? What really do you say? So as a stern mom, I clearly told him, you know, to tell the boy keep his hands to himself, for one. And number two, this isn't someone I would want to associate myself with. So I hope that my talk has helped. But it's just crazy that these kids are like this nowadays. You know, like, it's a bunch of bullying, it's a bunch of fighting, it's a bunch of this, it's a bunch of that. Like, this world has really changed. Really changed. You know, from my days, like, if somebody did that to me, I wouldn't talk to you ever again. But now it's like these kids are getting younger and younger, and they're seeing more, and they feel the need to retaliate in different manners. And, you know, I try to teach my son the right thing as far as, you know, don't hit somebody if they don't hit you first. Yeah, I could go on and on. I needed that mom rant for a moment. And yes, like, I'm literally raising a pre-teenager who is in an upper elementary school, which really it feels like middle school. And these kids are just way out of my league from when I went to school. Oh. Hey. Okay, so this is basically where we ended up, pediatric associates, because she was running a fever of like 102, 103. So now I'm gonna have to call out. So I won't be going to work tomorrow, but they just tested her for strep, and basically she's laid out on the table, y'all. Baby girl doesn't feel good. So the doctor said that like normally if they see kids come in having a fever and thrown up, it could be UTI, strep. It could also be a virus. So basically he narrowed it down to just a virus. But I tested her at home for COVID, negative. But she just fell asleep and she's like burning up, she's shaking. This is like any mom's worst nightmare. So of course, had to call out. I'm home, which gave me the opportunity to clean, do some schoolwork, edit, and get caught up on some videos. So they did call me this morning and say that it is positive that she has strep after testing her last night. And basically the rapid was negative, but the one where you have to wait for the next day came back positive. So currently she's in bed watching TV, laying low. She is eating, she is drinking, and she's been playing with slime all day long. So I'm gonna get ready to get up and get a couple more things done, and you guys can catch me in the next vlog. Thanks guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one.